Good afternoon, welcome to your Let's Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video presentation of this stunning 4 Series Grand Coupe we're having. The purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. We operate on a click and collect basis, so this video should give you as much information as we possibly can. Let's take a look around. It's a 2019 vehicle, 420i petrol Grand Coupe, so 5 doors, 8-speed automatic, and it's a one-owner vehicle with less than average miles. It's only done 8,000 miles, I believe. We'll have a look at that in a second. Presented in sapphire black metallic, and of course we fitted some in-house style enhancements. Sorry, couldn't get my words out there. Let's take a look. So 19 reg, still under manufacturer's warranty until 2022. This is £150 tax, I believe. I will confirm that for you as well. LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, and of course the Your Next Car glass styling package, including the double slat M4 style grille and the 3-piece front splitter. We've also added these 20-inch wheels. So we've gone up 2 inches on the wheels. The standard was 18-inch on these. These look absolutely stunning. They're competition style in full gloss black. We've fitted brand new tyres all round, fully balanced, ready to go. Gloss black sidebars, M Performance decals, and privacy glass to the rear of the vehicle. LED tail lights, rear parking sensors, and gloss rear spoiler. Original mats, folding rear seats for the extra boot room. There you see that gorgeous black sapphire paintwork. Let's take a look at the rear seats. Isofix rear bench and rear centre armrest. As you'd expect for the mileage, almost as brand new, really well cared for and in impeccable condition. Black Dakota leather with electric lumbar support, automatic headlights, rain sensors, and automatic 8-speed gearbox, as we see there. Covered a modest 8,711 miles. Professional widescreen navigation, heated seats, and dual zone climate control, as well as connected drive. There you see it is a touchscreen navigation system. I prefer to use the old iDrive toggle. Next service due in 9,000 miles. Cars available on HP and PCP. We work with a variety of lenders to suit all types of credit rating. HP up to 16 months. And any part exchange is welcome. Please give us a call, text or email. Thanks very much for watching and keep safe. Thank you.